How are we feeling? Okay, awesome opportunity for us tonight, and I think that as this one goes on, that place is going to fill up. You're going to get a little bit of an environment out of the deal. Not everybody gets these games. Okay, so 2 state-ranked teams, we get it at our place, and on top of it, it's a rivalry game. Okay, let's bring the juice. Here you go. Hey, good luck. That kid impresses me a lot. She's tough. Athlete. Sharp from the get-go. Know what we're doing with the trap on the inbound. If they're in man, let's go zags, and if it's zone stuff, just recognize. So 1-2-2, probably 2 guard it and start picking it apart. Let's get it rolling. Backside. Let's go. Draw foul. That's pretty. Yes. That's a good start. That was a tight window on that one. I wasn't so sure I wanted that one. Good hit. Way to push back. We got to get more of that. Just push that sucker right back.